So here's how to promote Fiverr gigs. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Fiverr app. Once you are logged into your Fiverr application, now here you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you click on the profile icon, now here you will be able to see the share gigs option. Here you have to click on it. After that, here you have to click on the get more traffic, and as you can see, it featured an app. Here you can create a social media ad. This app will help you to create an engaging social media app to boost your gigs. You can simply install the app and then you can design the ad and then you can promote your gigs in the videos. Another way to promote your gigs is you have to click on the share gigs option, and once you click on it, now you have to copy the link. After that, here you have to open any social media platform. Here I'm gonna use my Twitter account to promote my gig. Once I logged into my account, now here I'm gonna click on the tweet option. Once I clicked on the option, now here I'm gonna paste the link and then click on the tweet option to tweet. You can use Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and other social media platforms to promote your gigs. Once you have successfully created a post, now you have to click on the view to view the post. After that, here you will be able to see the promote option at the bottom of your post. You have to click on it to promote your gig. Then here you have to click on the get started option. Once you click on the get started option, then you have to select your goal. Here I'm gonna click on the get more link clicks, and after that here you have to select the age range and location or gender and then hit on the next. Now here you have to set your daily budget, and once you have set your daily budget, then you have to click on the next option at the bottom. Now the time is you have to set the payment method by clicking on the payment method option. Once you click on this option, now here you have to follow the prompts to enter all of your details. After entering all of your details, now you have to run the campaign. You can repeat this method on all of your social media channels. So this is how to promote your Fiverr gigs.